Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Theros Beyond Death. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Portent of Betrayal, followed by Karametra's Blessing, Deny the Divine, Wrap in Flames, Nyxborn Colossus, Soul Reaper of Mogus, Unknown Shores, Memory Drain, Flummoxed Cyclops, Altar of the Pantheon, Wolf-Willow Haven, Sea God Scorn, Hero of the Winds, Taranika, a Crowan Veteran, Our Land is a Swamp, and we have a goat token at the back. So again, our land is a swamp. Then we have Taranika, a Crowan Veteran, which for 1 and 2 white is a 3/3 legendary creature with vigilance, and whenever Taranika, a Crowan Veteran, attacks, untap another target creature you control. Until end of turn, that creature has base power and toughness 4/4 and gains indestructible. Okay, so when this attacks, it's making something else untap and probably be stronger than it was. You'd certainly want to target something that was like a 1/1 that had tapped for another reason, and then get a 4/4, or turn it into a 4/4 for the turn and make it indestructible. It's not until your next turn though, so it's only until your end step finishes. So that 4/4 is great and all, and it's indestructible, but if you're going to think, hey, I can create a blocker for next turn that can't die, I'm sorry, that's not what this is actually going to do. This is going to give you a 4/4 that's indestructible that you can use to target with something else, or you can, drop a board wipe after your combat step, and that will still be around. Otherwise, it's a good card though. Like the fact that it has vigilance and is a 3/3, so it's not going to be tapping whenever it attacks, means you're going to have a blocker. That's also what, let's see. No, that's, okay, I'm sorry, I'm thinking through this card more and more. I like it, but I think it's not fantastic. I think it's just good. The fact that it's a 3/3 for 3 is great. Its ability is okay though, unless I'm missing something, which I think I am. I think I'm just missing the usefulness of turning something that's already tapped untapped, making it a 4/4 and indestructible in the middle of your declare attackers, or after your attackers are declared, I guess, technically. So if I'm missing something with this, let me know in the comments below. Let's talk about this, because I think I'm just missing the usefulness of this card, because it seems like it would be incredibly useful, but I just don't see it. Anyway, our next card is Hero of the Winds, followed by Sea God Scorn, Wolf-Willow Haven, Altar of the Pantheon, Flummoxed Cyclops, Memory Drain, Unknown Shores, Soul Reaper of Mogus, Nyxborn Colossus, Wrap in Flames, Deny the Divine, Karametra's Blessing, and Portent of Betrayal. That's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.